This video is to explain your Google number 2 activity, which is creating a class Google slide presentation. So in the discussion board, you'll see links as always to our class materials. So what I want to show you first is that you have three links for this activity. One where it says link to the activity is where you will actually do the work. The second one says link to slide assignments. It's just an additional doc that has all of the information on what you have to do. So what slide you're responsible for adding to the presentation, what the instructions are, all that good stuff. And the last one down here is just, again, the link to the full text of the reading, persuasion, and responsibility that we actually had on our calendar earlier in the semester. So hopefully this is the second time that you are looking at it. All right, so from there, I'm going to show you the Google slide presentation. You'll see that they all start off the same, although they look a little bit different depending on what class that you're in, with the title slide, the activity, and your course number, as well as slide number 2 is always the slide instructions, and slide number 3 are your slide assignments. So I'm going to look at the instructions here, and it says, 1, on your slide assignment, it'll say your name, your email address, and it'll have a number. So for instance, mine would say number 6 and Shantae White Williams at SWIC.edu. At the top of slide number 6, I am going to put my name in where it says name. I'm going to define the term or the concept on the page indicated on the slide. I'm going to add at least one link on that slide that gives more information about a term or a concept on that slide. That link can be to a video, it can be to an infographic, it can be to a web page, whatever you think is helpful for your classmates understanding that information. And the last thing you have to do is add some type of image. The image can be decorative. In Google, if you push insert picture, it'll help you pick an image right there in the search engine. You don't even have to leave the slide presentation that I'm in now, or you can choose to use your own. It can be information or it can be decorative, however you want, but I want on each slide an explanation briefly, a link to more information, and a picture. Those are the only things that you have to put on the slide that's already been created for you. So hopefully you've been reading this as I've been talking. You notice in each of these bullet points, I said, please do not create your own slide. All of the slides have been created for you. So as I said, if I was going to do slide number 6, presented by, I would type my name in here. I can click right in that box, and I can then go ahead and add in my explanation. I can paste in a link to my additional source, and I can go to the top and press insert image, insert image, search the web, and it'll help me search for an image right here in Google. I don't even have to leave. So this is your Google number 2 activity. It's worth 5 points, and I'm interested in seeing on all the information we can compile together as a class. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please email me.